Hey guys, Dave Lalonic, Sticky RX. Here is just a compilation of a bunch of different parts, before, after, just in process, just a whole conglomeration of different things. Here's our custom switches, a steering wheel, 458 we received in, some other 458 headlight mirror controls, some Maserati Gran Turismo parts, 612, 575 HVAC, a front fog light switch refinished, 458 HVAC, 458 with a special bridge steering wheel, some other toggle switches beforehand, round button switches beforehand, lock unlock with coating completely wiped off, ASR delete switch after refinish, some FF components, 355 shock switch or sports switch, round switches after refinish, FF transmission and HVAC after refinish, 430 window switches tarred over, 458 HVAC cleaned off, refinished window switch, refinished headlight control, TFT from a 458 left and right hand side. Here's a headlight control from a California in Rosso with some other Rosso parts, special parts after refinish, some more 458 parts in Chocolate color, if that's the best my Italian I can do, overhead display, the Rosso parts after. We do a lot of color matching here. FF parts cleaned, looks horrible. The refinish is coming up, some seat controls. There's the refinish FF TFT. Maserati Quattroporte vent assembly, headlight control, back seat lock and unlock switches, window switches, 355 HVAC after refinish, along with the center vent. Here's Maserati Quattroporte rear heat seat controls, side vents, more 458 TFT controls melted down, some 360 parts complete, 430 window switches, 430 Scud HVAC, Scud round switches, Maserati Gran Turismo center vent in blue, lock and unlock parking sensor of 599 along with HVAC and headlight control. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great day.